So I've been watching this guy on YouTube and social media called Matthew Parker. He goes around and he's a mechanic that helps people for free. He helps people just out of the kindness of his heart. He gets them back on the road. He fixes whatever is wrong mechanically with their vehicle, and he doesn't charge them a dime. Sometimes he'll even buy them food and hotels and stuff like that. He's just the nicest dude in the mechanic world that I've seen making content. And I want to pay it forward in similar ways. I don't want to step on his toes, but I do want to do similar stuff in my community. The reality is, like, there's nobody in my community doing that. And I think the more people helping out of the goodness of our hearts, the better. I made an ad on Craigslist saying, hey, free mechanic services for the needy. I've had a bunch of people start to reach out. We got our first hit. Her name is Grace. She said that she's got some lights going wrong in her tail lights, that her blinkers and tail lights and running lights and stuff like that don't work. Let's go investigate, see what's going on, make sure she's got good battery, good power getting to the rear, try and diagnose and solve her problem and get her back on the road. So can you tell me what's going on? You said a couple of lights are gone, yeah?
Yeah, so the dash, nothing has got the mileage, not the speed, not anything.
Okay, so instrument cluster is out. Okay.
And then this, the brake lights will come on, but nothing else comes on.
Brake lights work, nothing else works back here?
Yes.
Okay.
So the cop told me as long as I put a reflector.
Oh, that's what this is. That's funny. Okay. Maybe we check fuses, check power,
Okay.
see if power's getting back there.
Okay,
Did it just
cool.
go out all of a sudden?
All of a sudden.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. This is what happened is it kept doing that, and then I had my nephew come and do this, and then
He opened them up.
He did, and then he broke the socket that the bulb goes in.
Oh.
It has a crack, so I have no idea. if
Okay,
that could
well,
be part of it.
I'll open them up and see. Does this open here?
Thank you. It does.
Okay.
Yeah, so shame.
All right, so I'm gonna test for power, and then we'll jump to the fuse boxes and just check fuses.
Probably like 2 months.
Oh, not bad.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, 12.5. That's good. Hazards is out too. These 210s look bust. Pull those. I want to look in the back though, because even if I put new fuses right there, they'll probably pop if that connector is busted up in the back. So it looks like there's a couple of bad fuses, but it's probably because when this got worked on, key was on or power was on, and like a short circuit, like some wire touching metal, something like that, that can make it so that the fuse breaks in the front. So maybe it's fixed, maybe it's not, but I just don't want to like waste fuses by putting it in, and if that doesn't fix it, it'd be great if that's the only thing.
Oh, that would be, yeah.
So many cute little animals running around.
One is
This little taped up.
it runs.
This one's all cherry. So yeah, I can see now this broken thing in here, yeah.
You took it apart in seconds.
So yeah, just a couple screws hold it in.
Oh my God, that was.
£2.
That's what it was.
Yeah, broken. Let me see. So I brought some because I was hoping.
Yeah.
So we'll see. Let me see if I have any. Minor.
Okay.
It's probably okay. Because he came in here and did bulbs, it looks like.
Yes.
He
but
tried
it's
to
just a
change bulbs.
kid, He didn't really know, but he tried.
I mean, that's a good first try.
Yeah.
For try to change bulbs.
And then he was like, Auntie, I broke this.
Yeah, that's disheartening.
Yeah.
And then still no change.
Yeah.
That's funny. You're like on the corner, everybody stops to say hi.
I know, yeah. I'm the Aloha committee.
Yeah.
First house.
The committee with the kitties.
Yes. And everybody's so kind to me.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's the way of this island, you know?
Yes.
It's nice.
Yep. Oh
Oh,
my God.
get left blinker, now try right.
Thank you. Oh, I want to cry.
Yeah, working. Okay, try the lights. Like turn the headlights on, so running light. Yep.
Oh, Jesus.
And the brake.
The brake.
Yeah, Jerry.
Oh, thank.
Yep,
Oh, Lord. Oh, I'm
all
so
fixed.
happy.
Easiest fix.
It runs. It runs so good. Like I used to fly
Got a new radiator. New radiator cap. If your fuel pump was bad, it couldn't do that.
it. Okay.
Now you can take your reflector off.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I had to show him. He's like, no more excuses. Okay, so I have no
Yeah.
money.
No, you're fine. You don't have to pay.
So I don't think with anything.
You're good. Don't worry about it.
Call
Thank
me
you so
back.
much. If somebody needs mechanic
No.
work, you give them my number. That's all.
Oh my God.
How about that?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're so
Oh my
welcome.
God.
Have a good
Whew,
rest of your
this was
night.
stressful.
Oh, well, it's all cherry now.
Thank you.
Okay. Have a good one.
You.
Bless.
Reward you.
All right. Well, that was as easy as that could have been. Just a couple fuses and all of her lights came back on. It was so minor. Feels good to help out. I'm glad that that was stressful for her, easy for us, minor. She's back on the road and I'm off to the next thing. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.